Hey there viewers, welcome back to another episode of VGAPR Garage. Today we're working on my 2008 Saab 93 Combine.
Where are you? There you are. You don't belong here. So today we're going to be doing rear rotors and pads. As you can see, mine look like crap. I had a caliper lock up on me. This is a new one, obviously, and it ruined the calipers. Also, let this car sit too much. That's another reason why this happened. So first thing we're going to want to do is take this clip off, pop that off. Then we've got these rubber boots on the back. Pop that one off. Then we got one on the bottom. Pop this one off. Then we're going to take a what is this, T or a 7mm Allen. Pop it in here. I'm gonna break these free. There we go, there's one. One on the bottom. There we are. Great job, Light. Come on, Light. You gotta be joking me. Oh, there's, we got one pin. Another pin. There we go. Two crap pads. Well, the back side is pretty bad. Then we got our caliper mounting bolts, which are inverted Torx, but you can use, gosh, I don't even see what this is. Tecton, maybe 13 or 14mm. I can't really see the socket, and it'll go right on. Otherwise, you need to get proper E-Torx to have this work, but I think to be able to do this safely, I gotta get an extension, a short one. So we're going to remove the rotor now with a T30. Yours might be different, so don't freak out, or it may not even have it. But luckily the new rotor actually comes with this screw. So I would definitely install it. It makes it easier to put the wheel on. So this is no good. Now we need to compress the piston, which you can get these tools at Harbor Freight or rent one. I'm using the M, I think that's what it's, yeah, it's M, that's what it says on the right hand thread, not like it matters on this. You locate these nipples or pins into the divots of the piston. And what I do is I just twist and push, and it's more than enough to push the piston back into place. You don't have to put the backing plate on the tool to get it to work. But actually, this piston's pretty much all the way in. We don't need to clean off the bracket, which is great. And this looks pretty good, but I think I actually am going to do a little bit of cleanup on it. We got some brake cleaner. Oop, that got on me. And then I'm going to grab a grinder with a wire brush and clean all that up nice. I'm going to take some fluid film, spray that hub down, and we got our new, you can barely see that with the light, our new rotor. Here's the part number. And as I said, it actually comes with the screw. But I'm not going to use it. I am going to save it though. We're going to line up the screw hole. This. And these part numbers are in reference to a solid rotor. There is a bigger brake kit for this car that is finned. Then maybe one day I'll upgrade to, but right now this is pretty good, and I'm gonna upgrade to Brembos in the front. So, but there, that's on. Now we've got our two caliper bracket mounting bolts. I'm gonna stick some blue thread locker on them. Into we got our bracket, and the hole, maybe. Come on, there we go. Where are you? Oh, too far. Let me get my head in here. There we go. Gotcha. Helps if I look and try not to do it by feel. There's one. Come on down to the bottom, find the hole. Where are you? There you are. Come on. Got it. Go. Put that over to give some room. There we go, top one. Put on that bolt. Come on. Oh, come on. Go. Now I'm going to use a breaker bar to get my torque. Oop, wrong way, Joshua. Click. Click. Now we have our pads, which are also, I think, hella, however you say it. There's your part number. This was relatively cheap. I think everything was about $100 including the shipping. Rock Auto shipping has gone up though. Alright, pop the pads in. Gonna take our guide pins. These are all still pretty lubed up, so I'm not worried about putting silicone paste on them. And then we're gonna take blue Loctite and put it in the holes on the caliper bracket. There we go. That up. Push all that over. That's on there, so let's twist that in. Alright, so that's ready for this. Extension. Wrong thing, Joshua. Oh, it's right in there. And I put my head in the way, I'm sorry guys. Where are ya? Gotta find that. Where are you? There we go, gotcha. This light is in the hole. There, we finally got it. All right. So it's hard to get the top one in because of the e-brake line. There's that one. Come on off. Come on. There we go. Pop on down to the bottom. Maybe we can get this one in easily, which that's a no. Got it. There we go. Here. Alright. Now I like to put a little silicone paste on these caps, but this was just done not that long ago. You've got your retaining clip, which does not come with the Hella grip brake pad kit. Find the holes. And there's a much easier way to do this. I think it's like you start them or something. There's one. Let's starch it. Wow. I don't know why I'm struggling so much. There we go. So, that's how you do rear rotors and pads on, this is 2003 to 2010, 11 Saab 9.3s. Again, part numbers are different if you have slotted or solid rotors, and the caliper bracket may be higher or something. I'm not too sure. There is a difference. But yeah, if you guys like this video, you know, thumbs up, thumbs down, comments, subscribe, get that bell ringing, clean your tools off, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.